Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about factors affecting oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve. Before we start, we should notice that at low concentrations of oxygen it is difficult for hemoglobin to absorb oxygen. This is because the four polypeptide chains of hemoglobin are tied together. But once the first oxygen molecule is loaded, the hemoglobin structure relaxes and the next three are loaded easily. So when the curve will shift to the right, that means decrease affinity to oxygen and the oxygen will be released. And when the curve shifts to the left, there is increased affinity to the oxygen and the oxygen will stick to the hemoglobin, and we can remember it by the word layered instead of Lord, layered. Left, increase affinity. Right, decrease affinity. The factors affecting the curve, the factors that shift the curve to the left and increase the affinity to oxygen are alkalosis, decreased temperature, decrease 2,3-diphosphogylicyrate, like in stored RBC, and in HB variants like the fetal hemoglobin and methoglobin and carboxyhemoglobin. Also in the CO2 poisoning and in hypophosphatemia. And we can remember them by the mnemonic cold, alkaline, stored blood in fetus, do not love CO2. Cold, alkaline, stored blood in fetus, loves CO2 or do not love CO2. Cold, decreased temperature, alkaline surrounding, stored blood or old RBC, fetal hemoglobin, and the L for the left, and CO2 poisoning. When the curve shifts to the right, that means the oxygen will be released from the hemoglobin and there is decreased affinity to oxygen. And the factors that shift the curve to the right are acidosis, increased temperature, and increased 2,3-diphosphogylicyrate, like in pregnancy, chronic anemia, and hypoxemia. Also, there is the sickle cell anemia and during exercise, and we can remember them by the mnemonic Rose is pregnant and anemic and eats hot acidic foods and walks. So Rose, R for the right, pregnant, pregnancy, anemic, anemia, hot, increased temperature, acidic media, and walks, exercise. Rose is pregnant and anemic and eats hot acidic food and walks. I hope this video will help you remember the factors that affect the oxyhemoglobin dissociation curve. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to receive the next video. Have a nice day.